Hey there, crypto lovers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got some breaking news. The EGL1 Coin Airdrop 2025 is live right now, and this could be one of the biggest airdrops of the year. You can claim up to $15,000 worth of free EGL1 tokens just by completing a few easy steps. So let's dive right in. First off, what exactly is EGL1? EGL1 is a next-generation blockchain built for DeFi, gaming, and ultra-fast transactions, faster than Ethereum and even cheaper than Solana. It's designed to power the next wave of decentralized apps with real-time scalability and very low gas fees. The project is backed by a strong global team and already getting huge attention on Twitter, Telegram, and CoinMarketCap. Now here's how you can join the airdrop. Go to the official EGL1 airdrop page. The link is right below this video. Connect your wallet, either MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Complete a few simple social tasks like following their Twitter account, joining their Telegram group, and sharing your referral link. Once you're done, your EGL1 tokens will be automatically credited to your wallet before the token listing date. And here's why you shouldn't miss this one. EGL1 isn't just another airdrop. It's building a real ecosystem with staking, rewards, and NFT integration. Thousands of users have already joined, and early participants will receive bonus tokens on launch day. So don't wait, hit the link, join the EGL1 airdrop now, and grab your share of the future of decentralized finance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto airdrop updates every week. Stay early. Stay smart. Stay in crypto.